Hello everyone, this is our session number 3 of lesson number 1. In this session we are going to learn about some earlier technologies which were invented by some great people. Before that, let's see what we learn in session number 2. In session number 2 we learn difference engine, then analytical engine which was invented by Charles Babbage, the world's first programmer. Okay, now let's see the first point of this session, Turing machine. Turing machine was the world's first general purpose computer. That means what, it was the world's first model of general purpose computer, and which was formed by Alan Turing. Okay, generally we see what his face, which is depicted on what a 50-pound note in England. Okay, and because of this contribution, he is considered the father of what theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. Okay, and Turing machine was a conceptual machine. That means it could be programmed and reprogrammed to do what different tasks. Okay, that means it was portable, it was custom. Okay, and it was planned by the Alan Turing. So today he is considered as what, father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. So you can see here, this is what a Alan Turing machine and world's first general purpose computer. Okay, then this after, let's see what is next one. This after on next one is a Z3 and Z4. So what is Z3 and Z4? Actually Z stands for Zeus 3 and Zeus 4. Let's say about Z3. It was world's first programmable computer, which was invented by German inventor, and he was Konrad Zuse. In which year? In 1941. Okay, and also he built the Z4, Zeus 4, which was world's first commercial digital computer. Okay, and for his contribution he is considered as what, the inventor of what, modern computer. And you can see here, this is what a Z3 and Z4 machine. Okay, and you can see who is the Konrad Zuse. Okay, then next, von Neumann architecture. Actually this architecture is inherited or used in today's modern type computer, and which is based on what, the description which was described by mathematician and physicist John von Neumann. Okay, the design architecture had the following components. Which components are involved or included in this architecture? Processing unit, it is the control unit, and control unit, arithmetic and control units are there. Then next, memory unit, external mass storage, and mechanism for input and output. That means to feed the data and to get the output, mechanism was there. Okay, and this architecture used in today's modern computer. Okay, von Neumann, he was a gifted mathematician who started to practice of what, storing data. That means he started to store what, data. He started to practice of what, storing data and instruction in binary code. Okay, we know binary code, it's in form of 0 and 1. Actually started to store what, data and instruction in form of binary. Okay, and afterwards he teamed up with what, two scientists. One of this was American electrical or electric engineer, and he was P. Eckert, and next one was American physicist John Mauchly. Why he teamed up with these people? To build EDVAC computer. Okay, and he completed what, the manufacturing of EDVAC. Okay, or he completed what, work on EDVAC In which year? In 1950. Okay, teamed up with these people. Okay, now this after, let's see what is next one, that is ENIAC. So let's see what is the full form of ENIAC. ENIAC stands on electronic numerical integrator and computer. This is the full form of word ENIAC, and this computer was world's first general purpose computer. Okay, and which was designed and built for for United States Army to calculate what are artillery firing tables. Okay, that means it was a special computer which was designed for United States Army to calculate what are artillery firing tables. Okay, and when it was introduced in year 1946 by John Moseley and P. Eckert, then in size it was large and it was heavy. That means it was 30 tons weighted. Okay, and took up space near 1800 square feet. Okay, so you can imagine its size and weight. Okay, so it is about what a ENIAC computer. Okay, I hope you all understand